Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to put out fire in Lassie Survival Shooter. And Lassie Survival Shooter, if you notice your base on fire, don't panic. It's mostly a visual effect showing your HQ has taken damage and your wall durability has dropped. First, don't directly harm your troops, but they do signal that repairs are needed. To put them out, you can repair your HQ yourself or rely on alliance members. Each Alliance member gets one free fire extinguisher per day, so make sure it's used wisely. If you've already used yours, ask your Alliance for support. Being close to your allies increases your chances of getting quick help. You can also strategically coordinate with your Alliance to time repairs after attacks, ensuring the fire is extinguished efficiently and your base remains fully operational. With teamwork, timely repairs, and smart use of extinguishers, you can restore your HQ and keep your city safe from further damage. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.